Everyone knows about Newton's law of gravity, how every object attracts every other object in the universe. Newton gave us the equation force equal to gravitational constant times the product of the masses upon the square of distance between them. But there was a problem. We knew the formula, not the value of g. Without it, we could only describe gravity, not measure it. For more than 100 years after Newton, no one knew how strong gravity really was. Then, in the year 1798, Henry Cavendish, a big Newton fan from Cambridge, stepped in. He wasn't even trying to find G, he just wanted to weigh the Earth. To do that, he had to measure the tiny pull between two objects. So, he built the torsion balance, a rod with small lead balls on a thin wire and big lead spheres nearby. The big balls pulled the small ones, the wire twisted, and Cavendish measured the tiny twist. From it, he calculated the force. Using Newton's equation, he solved for G and got G equal to 6.67 times 10 raised to power minus 11 Newton meter square per kg square. A tiny number that explains how all matter attracts, at least when the objects are not too massive or too tiny for Newton's simple rule.